this is my first Aprons Ready to Cook With Me video that I've done in like months. So I'm excited to be back with you guys. Today we are cooking stuffed boneless chicken breast, which is the equivalent to, or it's the same as, because it says chicken cordon bleu. This is what we're making. There's 2 of them here. And this is pretty simple compared to the crock pot cook with me's or whatever. So this isn't going to take that long. Okay, and it's kind of dark in here. Like, I have as much light as I can possibly have, so I apologize for the lighting. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open everything up. Now, this one doesn't come with a recipe card like the crock pot meals do. Basically, you just undress it, preheat the oven to 350, which I'll show you. And you go ahead and place everything in and cook it for the accepted amount of time. Now, this is what it looks like open. And it's been in my bags for a while. But this is it pretty much. I'll go ahead and place it in the oven, right, for 40 to 45 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set my oven timer. And basically now we just wait and see what happens. So hopefully it's going to turn out great. See you guys back in a little bit. Alright, so we're going to take a mini break from cleaning. We're going to go ahead and check my food. Oh, this is sad you can't see it here. Let's put some light in there. Just a little bit. And there you go. That's how it looks. Okay, so this is the finished product out of the oven. Not that bad. I wish my lighting was better. Actually, hold on just a minute. I'm going to show you under a different light.